If you want to highlight certain parts of your property or reorientate different parts of your tour, you can certainly adjust the view inside your tour using the Set View function. To do this, please follow these steps. First, log into your EyeSpy360 account. Next, click on the tour you wish to edit. This will open the tour editor. Double-click on a donut-shaped image of a room to enter 360 view. We'll call this room A. Once in 360 view, click on a hotspot to move into the next room. We'll call this room B. When you're inside room B, the red Set View button will now appear at the bottom of your screen. Position your screen in the desired view and then click the Set View button. This will then save this view to always appear when you move from room A to room B. You can then repeat this process throughout your property as required. To save your changes, double-click on the donut-shaped image you wish your tour to start on. This will open 360 view. Position your screen in your desired starting position and then click the blue Publish button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will republish your tour and update it with your changes.